And we also have the Rottweiler tidy tail that we're going to be doing off the back to eliminate all that nonsense. So hope you enjoy the video, hope it helps you out. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is take out these two rear fender bolts. Next thing we're going to do is remove these two guys right here. So then we're going to move the bolt right here and the one back there, and those are both T30s. So for this screw back here behind the exhaust, there might be a way to get to it without taking the exhaust off, but I'm putting a new exhaust on anyway, so I'm going to take that off because it's just going to make it a whole lot easier. So first step's going to be to get this panel off, so we're going to take this bolt off right here. It's a T30. And then this whole fender, just pull off. Little pop thing in the front, and it just pops off. We're gonna pull these two bolts off. Now, if you're watching, I'm only gonna shoot this once, so if you're watching the video to do the tidy tail, you probably only need to drop these two. These are 13. All right, and then that'll give you enough room to get to that bolt right there now. Once you get that pulled out, fender will just pop right off. All right, next thing, we're gonna pop the gas cap off to get access to these screws right here. So we're gonna pull this guy off right here and put your gas cap back on so you're not huffing fumes. Next thing we're gonna do is remove these three screws right here. 1, 2, 3. The goal is to access this plug right here and unplug it. Then we are going to remove this guy and this guy. Then we'll remove this screw, and on the other side, that screw. Thank God I'm getting rid of this monstrosity. Thing's ridiculous. This guy comes up here, and then we got a bolt that goes there, 2 bolts under there, and then one on that side. You just can kind of see where you might need to file down the license plate a little bit. It's hard to tell because these are just paper plates. But if you do, just file down right there, enough for the wire to get through without getting pinched, and you'll just install the license plate. All right, and then once that's done, you'll just run this wire up along the same place the last one went. Plug it down back to that connector, and then put these screws back in. Down the back, and that's that. Depending on which video you just watch, you either watch an exhaust get installed, the Rottweiler tidy tail, the Banshee, if that's how you say it, gas tank, headlight, all that stuff got done. Bunch of different videos, all one day. Hope you enjoyed, hope it helped you out. Have a good one, guys.